Welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought a new updates regarding faculty recruitment. Before starting, I request you all please like, share and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed till now. So the first college where recruitment is going on for faculty is in Sai Tirumala NVR Engineering College. This college is in Guntur. In the here you can see there is walk-in interview on 14th of March 2021 from 10th am onwards. There are various departments where the vacancy is like computer science and engineering, electronics communication, chemistry and communication trainer and administrative officer. So for that what you have to do, you have to go with your latest resume and all your original certificate, marks, memos, PAN and Aadhaar for verification. One set of xerox copy for submission along with passport size photo. आपको ओरिजिनल भी लाना है और फोटो कॉपी भी लाना है. एक कॉपी आपका वो रख लेंगे और ओरिजिनल से वो वेरीफाई कर लेंगे. तो ये फर्स्ट कॉलेज हुआ. सेकेंड कॉलेज where the recruitment is going on in Sri Chaitanya Educational Institution. This college is in Karimnagar. In this college also there is walk-in interview going on for Sri Chaitanya Engineering College and Pharmacy. College promoted by Tachsila Educational Society invites faculty for the position of professor, associate professor and assistant professor. यहाँ पे जो वैकेंसी है वो प्रोफेसर, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर और असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर के लिए है. द डिपार्टमेंट वेयर द वैकेंसी इज इन सिविल, इलेक्ट्रिकल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, MEC, मैकेनिकल, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कम्युनिकेशन, कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग, MBA, MCA, फार्मेसी एंड ह्यूमैनिटी एंड साइंसेस. दे हैव आल्सो वैकेंसीज फॉर इंग्लिश, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथ, फिजिकल डायरेक्टर, system admin, computer programming and Java trainer. Qualification, experience and salary is all as per AICTE norms. So interested candidate will go to the college address with your resume, all original certificate, PAN card and Aadhaar card on two venue. First is in on 14th March 2021 the walk-in is in Karimnagar, and second on 15th of March 2021 the walk-in is in Hyderabad. They have also given venue in Karimnagar, it is in college campus, or in Hyderabad they are conducting walk-in in Hotel Swagat Residency, Kukatpalli, beside RS Brothers, KPHP Main Road, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. Third college where the recruitment is there is in Sri Datta Institute of Engineering and Science, Sri Datta Group of Institution Integrated Campus. This college is in Greater Hyderabad, Ibrahimpatnam, Sagar Road, Siriguda, Ibrahimpatnam, Greater Hyderabad. In this college also there is walk-in interview on various dates for the post of professor, associate professor, assistant professor, training placement officer and admin. On 13th of March 2021 the walk-in is for computer science and engineering and electronics communication. On 15th civil and mechanical can go to attend the walk-in interview. On 16th electrical electronics and MBA. On 17th English, physics, math and chemistry people can go and attend the interview. And on 18th all the non-technical jobs, non-technical posts, for those people can go for walk-in. So it is mentioned that interested candidates should appear for written test followed by a lecture, demo and personal interview. तो यहाँ पे आपका पहले सबसे पहले रिटन टेस्ट होगा, उसके बाद एक डेमो देना पड़ेगा किसी भी सब्जेक्ट्स पे, उसके बाद आपका पर्सनल इंटरव्यू होगा. आपको ओरिजिनल सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ क्वालिफिकेशन, एक्सपीरियंस एंड लिविंग ऑर्डर, आधार एंड पैन, रिसेंट पासपोर्ट, रिसेंट फोटोग्राफ एंड 2 years ऑफ बैंक स्टेटमेंट फॉर सैलरी प्रूफ, ये इतना आपको लेके जाना है. और कुछ भी आपको कांटेक्ट करना हो तो ईमेल आईडी और फ़ोन नंबर पे आप उनको कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. ऊपर में आपको दिया हुआ दोनों चीज़ें. Third college is Sri Devi Women's Engineering College. This college is in Gandhipet, Rangareddy district. In this college they have vacancies for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in electronics communication, computer science, electrical electronics, IT, mechanical, MBA, maths, physics, chemistry, English, librarian, lab assistant and programmer. So anyone who are interested to apply in this college, so you have to send your updated resume along with scanned copies of all certificate and passport size photo to SWECRE CRUIT means Sri Devi Women's Engineering College. This is a college name. So SWEC recruit 2001@gmail.com. इस email ID पे आपको अपना रिज्यूम और जो भी स्कैन कॉपी है सर्टिफिकेट का वो आपको सेंड कर देना है. थर्ड कॉलेज इज श्रीनिधि एजुकेशनल ग्रुप. दिस कॉलेज इज आल्सो इन हैदराबाद. So this college invite application for faculty of all cadre with MTech, PhD, MA with NET, SLAT, SET in all branches. Means for computer science and engineering, IT, electronics communication, electronics and computer engineering, electrical electronics, mechanical, English. So in these branches they have vacancies. Salary is as per 6 pay scale आपको मिलेगा. For deserving candidate higher start will be offered. JNTUH फैकल्टी रजिस्ट्रेशन इज कंपलसरी. आपको फैकल्टी रजिस्ट्रेशन करना पड़ेगा, वो आपका कंपलसरी है. प्लीज मेल द CV विथ फोटो कॉपीज ऑफ क्वालिफिकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस, लिस्ट ऑफ पेपर पब्लिश्ड एंड पेटेंट रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट फ्रॉम फंडिंग एजेंसी, आधार कार्ड, पैन कार्ड एंड प्रूफ ऑफ लास्ट राउंड सैलरी. ये सारी चीज़ आपको क्या करना है, आपको मेल करना है. और email ID भी आपको दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पे देख सकते हो. और इंटरेस्टेड कैंडिडेट में अप्लाई ऑन और बिफोर 23 मार्च 2021. 23 मार्च 2021 से पहले आपको अप्लाई कर देना है. इंटरव्यू विल बी हेल्ड एट हैदराबाद. आपका हैदराबाद में इंटरव्यू होगा. फॉर शॉर्टलिस्टेड कैंडिडेट हैव टू मेल दियर अपडेटेड CV to hr@srinidhi.edu.in along with original scan certificate. और if you have any query then they have also given number, you can contact there. Next college is in Sri Indu Institute of Engineering and Technology. They have faculty recruitment requirement for principal and professor for various department for civil, computer science and engineering, electronics communication, internet of things, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cyber security, maths, English, physics, chemistry. For principal and professor they have mandate PhD with 10 years of experience after PG. For associate professor also they have given qualification PhD with 5 years of experience, and for assistant professor 0 to 3 year experience after PG. For associate professor and assistant professor they have vacancies in civil, computer science and engineering, EC, internet of things, artificial intelligence and machine learning, cyber security, maths, English, physics, chemistry. They have also vacancies for TPO. If you have any experience in training and placement related activities with excellent track record and good communication skill, then for applying all these posts you can have to send your resume on hr@siiet.ac.in on or before 15th of March 2021. Next college, in this there are nothing like college name or other thing, so left this one. So if you have liked the videos, please subscribe the channel also and share it with friends who need the like job of faculty and TPO or some non-technical post in any engineering colleges. Then you can share this videos with him. So thank you, have a nice day.